Good morning, everyone. So, now that we have started with Maths 10 ICSE, we are following Maths Concise textbook for ICSE 10. We have started Goods and Service Tax introduction video. You can see that video in the I option above. Before seeing this video, I recommend you to see that video because when you see that video, you will understand this video very well. This is for motivation. Every problem has a solution and you must find solution for each and every problem you have. Now today we are going to solved examples of our textbook of chapter 1. First solved example is a dealer in a city buys some goods worth rupees 6,000. So a dealer is buying some goods that is worth rupees 6,000 from the same city. It is same city means it is an intrastate transaction. It is clear. And if it is an intrastate transaction, I have told you that it is an intrastate transaction, then CGST and SGST will be calculated and IGST will automatically be 0. So you can see here IGST is given as 0 because it is in the same city. If the rate of GST is 18%, now it is an intrastate transaction, so 18% half we will do. So 18% half is 9%, so 9% of 6,000 will be CGST and 9% of 6,000 will be SGST. So find how much will the dealer pay for the goods bought. So that will be the total amount the dealer will pay for the goods bought. So you can see the solution here. It is a case of intrastate transaction. For the dealer, cost of goods is rupees 6,000. GST rate is 18%. 18 it will be 9 and 9 as CGST and SGST. CGST is 9% of rupees 6,000. 9 upon 100 into rupees 6,000. You can calculate it out. 0, 0, 0, 0 will cut and 60 into 9 will be 540 rupees. Same will be the SGST, that is rupees 540. IGST is automatically 0 as it is an intrastate transaction and the dealer will pay. Now the total amount we have to find. To find the total amount we have to do selling price plus CGST plus SGST. So that will be 6,000 plus 540 plus 540. So that will be 7,080. You can add it up and see what is the answer. It will be the same. Now next sum. Given below are the cost of some financial services in the same city taxable under GST. Cost of services are given like 500, 300, 400 and 600. And if the rate of GST is 12%, find the amount of GST on this services. Here also the same word is given, that is same city. It is the same city, that means it is the same state, so it is intrastate transaction. The transaction is within the state, so if it is a within the state, so CGST and SGST will be calculated. You can see it here, and IGST will automatically be 0. So GST is 12%, so we will do it half, that will be 6%. So now see the solution. It is a case of intrastate transaction. Total cost of services will be, we will add all these services, that will come up to rupees 1,800. We have to calculate CGST, so that will be 6% of rupees 1,800. So 6 upon 100 into 1,800, that will come up to be 108. Now at GST, it will be the same, that is 6 upon 100 into 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0 will cut it and 18 into 6 will be 108 and IGST is 0. Now we will find the total amount, so that will be 108 plus 108. So CGST and SGST will be the total amount of GST we have to find. We don't have to find the total amount, we have to find the amount of GST. So that's why we will calculate only CGST and SGST and we will add it up. So that will be 216 rupees. Sum. Find the amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction. Intrastate transaction give us the meaning that we have to find CGST and SGST and the transaction is within the state of goods. The rate of GST is 12%. That means we have to do 6% CGST, 6% SGST. Now this format is in horizontal format. So we have to convert it into vertical like this. MRP. This line we will do in vertical format. Same discount line we will do in vertical format. Now we will find the selling price. Now to find the selling price, you must be thinking why we are finding the selling price here. We are finding it because we have to find the amount of bill. To find the amount of bill, we need selling price, CGST and SGST. So now here it is 70% of rupees 250. Now you all will be thinking why 70%? 30% is the discount. It is 70% because 100 minus 30 is 70. Always when we are writing this number in percentage, we have to do 100 minus discount, whichever number is in discount, and then we have to write here the number. So here 30 is there, so 100 minus 30 is 70. So 70 of MRP, that will be 250. So 70 upon 100 into 250, you will calculate and answer will come 175. Same here, 200, 40%. So 60% is here because 100 minus 40 is 60. So 60% of rupees 200 will be 120. Now 150 MRP, discount 32, 100 minus 32 is 68. So 68% of rupees 150, that is MRP. So 68 upon 100 into rupees 150 will be 102 rupees. Next 300 MRP, 20% discount. 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80% of rupees 300, that will be 80 upon 100 into 300. That will be 240 rupees. Total will be 175 plus 120 plus 102 plus 240. That will come up to be rupees 637. Now we will calculate CGST. That will be 6% of total rupees. 637. Total rupees means selling price. So 6% of 637 will be 38.22 rupees. Same will be SGST, 38.22 rupees. To find amount of bill, you will do this total amount plus CGST plus SGST. So 637 plus 38.22 plus 38.22, you will get the answer as 713.44 rupees. You have to write rupees. Next sum. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of services provided by some consulting agency. Here it is given interstate transaction. So it is clear that we have to find IGST, not CGST and not SGST. So we have to find IGST, cost of services. As I told you, you have to write this down in vertical format. Cost of service, this full line in vertical, same full line in vertical, GST line. Now we will find IGST in rupees. Now IGST, how we will find? We will do 12, that is GST upon 100 into cost of service. That will be 12 upon 100 into 2400. That will come 288 rupees. Then we will find amount of service, that is cost of service plus IGST. So 2400 plus 288, that will be 2688 rupees. Now same IGST we will find out here. 12 upon 100 into 1820, so that will be 218.40 rupees. Here same 1820 plus 218.40, that will be 2038.40 rupees. Same here we will do 18 upon 100, GST upon 100 we have done, into cost of service 3900 is equals to 702. So 3900 plus 702 will be 4602. 3900, 18%. Same answers will come here as it is the same cost of service and GST. 702 and 4602. Now we have to find amount of bill. To find amount of bill, you will do 2688 plus 2038.40 plus 4602 plus 4602. The answer will be 13,930.40 rupees. Next sum. Find the amount for the following intra-state transaction. Here it is an intra-state, that means within the state transaction. Here MRP, number of item, GST. You will write MRP, number of item, but after that you will make the column for total cost of whole quantity. That means you will multiply MRP into number of items, so that will give you the total cost of whole quantity. Then you will write GST and then we will find this all. Now MRP, you will write this line, number of item, you will write this line. After that, total cost I will tell you all. Total cost, to find total cost you will do 125 into 20, so that will give 2500. Same 200 into 27, 5400. 160 into 35, 5600. 150 into 32, 4800. 180 into 25, 4500. You will multiply this all and write the total cost of whole quantity in rupees here. Then you will make the column of GST. This one you will copy it down in vertical format. Then you will find GST. To find GST, you will do, as it is intrastate, so you will do 12%, it is given, but you will do 6% because CGST will be 6%, SGST will be 6%. So to find CGST, you will take 6 upon 100 into this total cost, that will be 2500, so it will come 150. Same here, it is 12%, but CGST will be 6, so 6 upon 100 into 5400, that will be 324. Next, it is 9 upon 100 because 18% CGST will be 9%, so 9 upon 100 into 5600, so that will come 504. Next, it will come 14% because 28% is the total GST, so CGST will be 14%. So 14 upon 100 into 4800, that will be 672 rupees. Now 9 upon 100 into 4500, that will come 405 rupees. Same will be SGST. CGST and SGST both are same everywhere. So now to find amount, you will do MRP plus CGST plus SGST in rupees. So how you will do that? Amount, MRP, CGST and SGST. MRP, that means you will take 2500 plus you will do 150 plus you will do 150. So 2500 plus 150 plus 150, you will get 2800. Next, 5400 plus 324 plus 324, you will get 6048 rupees. 5600 plus 504 plus 504, you will get 6608. Next, 4800 plus 672 plus 672, you will get 6144. Then 4500 plus 405 plus 405, you will get 5310 rupees. So to find the amount of bill, you will add this all amount section and you will get 26,910 rupees. Next sum, last sum of solved example. A dealer in Delhi supplied goods to a wholesaler in Agra as per the details given below. Find the total amount of bill. It is the interstate transaction. It is given that dealer is in Delhi and he is selling the goods to wholesaler who is in Agra. So Delhi and Agra are not in one state, so it will be IGST we will calculate. So it will be interstate transaction. Now cost in Delhi, it is given, GST is given, discount is given. So you will write all that format in vertical format. You can see solution, it is a case of interstate transaction. So GST will be is equals to IGST because it is interstate. So whole of the GST will be levied by the central government. That will be IGST by collecting IGST. So you will write cost in Delhi in vertical format, GST line in vertical format, discount line in vertical format. You will find selling price. Now to find selling price, as I have told you, you will do 2100 and discount, but here no discount is given. But so we will write cost in Delhi only as the selling price. So it will be 2100. Same 3500, same discount is not given, so you will do 3500 as selling price. Now here discount is given, so 100 minus 25 is 75. So 75 upon 100 into cost in Delhi, that is 2200, will give 1650. Same here, discount is given 30, 100 minus 30 you will do, so 70 upon 100 into 2850, that will give 1995 rupees. Next sum, 100 minus 40 you will do here. So 60 will be there. 60 upon 100 into 3450, that will give 2070. Now amount, you will calculate the total amount by adding all this discounted value, selling price. So 2100, 3500, 1650, 1995 plus 2070, it will give you the total amount as 11,315. So now we will calculate the IGST, that because it is interstate, so we will calculate IGST. To calculate IGST, we will do 12% of rupees 11,350, because you can see here all the GST is 12%, 12%. So whole GST will be IGST. So that will be 12% of rupees 11,315. So you will get rupees 1,357.80 rupees, as after doing 12 upon 100 into 11,315, you will get this amount. Now we will find total amount of bill, that will be 11,315 plus 1,357.80. So amount plus IGST, you will get 12,672.80 rupees. Here we finishes all our solved examples of chapter 1. Thank you all for listening, and in next video we will start with exercise 1.a with proper understanding and solving of sums. Till then, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and like button. Thank you all.